The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Orleans Police Department. Many reports had come in that an unknown man was seen holding a gun and walking around New Orleans. He is around 6 feet tall, weighing around 215 pounds. If you see this man, call 911 immediately. An administrative message from the New Orleans Police Department. The man has been captured. Repeat. The man that was mentioned at 12 a.m. has been captured. Your government thanks you for your The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Orleans Police Department, the Governor of Louisiana, and the Louisiana State Police. An immediate evacuation has been in effect for the following states: Louisiana, Mississippi, Texas, and Arkansas. If you are in one of the states that were called, evacuate now. Repeat. If you are in one of the states that were called, evacuate now. The man now identified as 46-year-old Jason Sanctum has now escaped the jail with the help to 5 men. The 5 men are identified as 42-year-old Mike Sanctum, 23-year-old Juan Carlos Navas, 51-year-old Joshua Muscats, 32-year-old Mustafa Alanjondo, and 19-year-old Josue Perez III. These men are all wearing black bulletproof vests. They are throwing grenades in neighborhoods. If you or a child touches it, they will immediately die from the explosion. The 5 men, now known as the New Generation Gangsters, are killing everybody they see. In the states of Mississippi, Texas, and Arkansas, there are stabbings going on in the states. If you are in one of the states mentioned, evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Governor and State Polices of Louisiana, Mississippi, Texas, and Arkansas. The New Generation Gangsters are all in it near a prison in New Orleans, and the stabbing and killing going on at the other states had also stopped. The man and woman that joined the riot attack were arrested and sent to prison. Everybody that evacuate, do not return home. Repeat. Do not return home. There is major damage to the states. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.